warm. We can spend the night.
All right, this is December the 23rd. Okay. Okay, so, all right, I'm gonna read my chapter. All right, so I will be reading I'm gonna read a long chapter today. This is coming from Deuteronomy 6:5-9. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your strength. These commandments that I give you today are to be up on your heart. Impress them on your children. Talk about them when you sit at home, and when you walk along the road, and when you lie down, and when you get up. Tie them as a symbol on your hand, and bind them on your forehead. Write them on the doorframe of your house and on your gate. Deuteronomy 6, verse 5-9. This is very good for right now. All right. So now I'm getting ready in Cornish grain hens. So I'm going to be using, these are the items that I'll be using. I'm going to roast the Cornish grain hens. Okay. So I have 4 of them here in the little roaster that I'll be putting in to the oven. Okay. And
she's using garlic, black pepper, complete of course, onion powder,
and garlic powder,
Chesapeake Bay.
Yeah.
And she's using
Italian
dressing.
Okay.
And she got onions, bell peppers, and potatoes. Okay.
All right. So I'm getting ready to get started, and I'm going to be putting on all of my ingredients first. I'll be doing them on the back side, and then I'll turn them over.
Yeah, I'm sorry. It's kids here. All her great grandkids are here, so sorry about the noise.
This is the Chesapeake Bay that I'm putting on now. And now I'm getting ready to put on complete. And this is the black pepper.
Wash your hand.
And this will be my garlic powder. Onion powder.
Michael wanted to put the seasoning on.
Yes.
Okay.
I need help.
Okay. Wait a minute. Let me turn it over. You can put a seasoning on there. Okay. All right. So come around, and you start with all of this. All the way. Fill it up.
Wait, you too rough.
I got it ready. I got it.
Here.
Okay, right here. Get this. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah. Okay, now that's it for that. Okay. This is that's your.
That is the onion powder.
Not too much, just enough. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, and that's it.
Alright, that's
Right.
how much.
This is your
Complete seasoning.
Come on, right there. Okay. All right. That's the complete.
And then we have black pepper.
Okay. Don't make you sneeze, though.
Oh no.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough for that.
All right.
And then we got garlic powder.
All right. That's it for that. Now, we'll be putting on the onions. Okay.
Yep, the onions.
I'm going to put this on. Okay.
So this is gonna go.
Wait a minute. Okay.
So this is what. So we're putting Italian dressing on.
Wait a minute. Go all the way across. Wait a minute. Shake it up.
All right, we're gonna shake.
You got to shake it up. All right. Shake it up so that I'll get in there good. Okay, man. This should be okay. Now, start putting it on.
All right.
All the way. Come on back on here. All right. Yeah, come on down here on this one. Okay, get on the leg right there. On these legs right here. Okay, right there. Okay, now. Okay, now.
Use all of it.
We need a
Put it in the
brush.
middle.
Let's get that brush so you can brush it.
Okay, I'll do it. I got the brush.
Okay.
No, prevent the trash.
On the sides, kind of. Okay. And some down in here. Yeah, okay. Don't sneeze, okay.
I caught it.
Then you gotta sneeze, girl.
I caught that sneeze.
All right.
Put some of those on.
Yeah. Potatoes goes around it now. So.
Put it inside the holes.
There we go. That's all the potatoes in. What? Didn't we just do them in the when they were in the bowl?
Yeah, that should have did. Here. Never thought about it.
Oh, she just thought
Just
about
on the
it.
potatoes, okay.
Yeah, I literally just thought about it.
Okay.
Alright, we need the others.
Are you gonna put some more?
Yeah, we use every seasoning gravy for the potatoes. We need.
And that's just a little bit, not a lot, just a little on, just on the potatoes.
I know.
Okay.
Okay. All right, now this is their ready to go in the oven. And they should be ready in about 45 minutes to an hour. So I'll be back as soon as they get ready. I'm just going to wipe this from the side of the pan. So.
And then I will be making a pie.
Okay.
But then I'll show them.
Oh, he's ready to do his
The
cookies.
pie I will be making is this one.
Okay, where did it? I like lost. So I lost the top. Okay. All right. So. All right. Don't need no water.
And when that's done cooking,
Don't need no water or nothing.
we shall put.
All right, y'all. We'll be back once it's done.
Yes.
Don't need nothing. And so.
A roasted Italian Cornish hens.
And they came out very pretty with the they had the potatoes and everything in them, and they cooked for about an hour in this stone pot. So it was for our Christmas Day. So I guess I don't know, whenever. But anyway, they look delicious. I'm not gonna take a taste of them. I'm gonna leave them there. So they're very pretty and they came out really nice.
Here you go.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm. Very good. Very good. So, there was a little piece that was out for one of the wings. But it is off the chain. It's good, very good. Very well seasoned in the Italian dressing when we put on it with the mashed potato. So, try that. That's something very good, very nice for you to have also for your Christmas Day dinner. It's very quick. Takes about an hour altogether. Depends on what you're gonna put. What you're gonna put with it, to stuff them or not. But we decided to just use the potatoes in there, and that was it. So I thank you all for viewing that video. God bless. Have a wonderful night. This is 23, so I'll be back on 24 with something else. Be blessed, be blessed, be blessed, be blessed. From Miss Lena's Kitchen with all my love. Happy holidays to everyone.